In today's video, I'm going to show you how to accept collaboration requests on Instagram. So here's what you need to do. So using my other Instagram account, I just sent a collaboration request on my actual Instagram. And now I'm going to switch to my actual Instagram account. And as you can see at the bottom right that I have received a collaboration from Roby Strawberry. Just click on the image. You will see here that Roby Strawberry invited you to be a collaborator and on their post. So tap review. It says here that Roby Strawberry invited you to be a collaborator on their post. If you accept, your name will be added to the post and it will be starred to your followers in addition to where it's already visible. So all you have to do is tap accept. And when you go back to your news feed, you will now see this post on your Instagram feed. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you on my next one. Thanks for watching.